Hi, my name is Yuvraj and I'm the founder of Clevrr Sheets. Clevrr Sheets lets you analyze and visualize your data in spreadsheets using natural language English powered by generative AI. To get started, simply log in and upload a file. You can upload a CSV or an Excel file, and as soon as you upload it, you'll see a preview of how Clevrr Sheets has understood your data. So I've uploaded the user posts of a company, and to get started, you simply have to start asking it questions. It's as simple as that. So I can ask it to create a pie chart for the number of questions versus announcements, and as simple as that, I'll simply ask it to create this kind of visualization. So Clever Sheets understands this question, relates it with your data, finds the best category to correlate the question with, and then if you have mentioned the chart type, it will create that specific chart for you. Now this is not just an image, this is a fully interactive chart that you can basically treat as a dashboard. You don't even have to mention the type of chart. Clever Sheets is so I'll simply ask it to create top 5 localities in terms of maximum number of posts. So as you can see, I haven't mentioned any sort of type of chart that I want to create. I haven't mentioned the which category to pick the data from. Clever Sheets understands this question, understands the data, figure it out on its own, what is the best sort of visualization for that kind of question, and then puts it all together with all the calculations and everything and creates a chart for you that is completely interactive and right there from your own data. You can resize this chart to whatever you like, and you can basically create a dashboard out of your own data within seconds. Not only this, Clever Sheets also comes with a data explorer, which is for analytical questions. You can ask it questions which are analytical and not necessarily contain visualization. So for example, I'll ask it how many posts are reported. Now you'll see over here that the data contains a column called reported, which does not have any entry until unless some post is reported. So Clever basically understands this data and then creates the best sort of answer so that you get 84 reported posts. You can even ask it questions about users. So let's ask how many posts have been created by author name Yuvraj Dagur. So as you can see, I can mention the column by just typing at the rate, and it will give me within a matter of seconds that the number of posts created by Yuvraj is 34. I can even ask it with what is the title of the post created by Yuvraj Dagur that has got the maximum claps. So this kind of question is basically a multi-step question. So first of all, it has to figure out what post Yuvraj has. Then it has to figure out which post got the maximum claps. And then it has to retrieve the title of that post. All of these steps are done in a matter of seconds using Clever Sheets. You can even update the data in Clever Sheets and ask it to display only some specific questions. So for example, as you can see over here, there are some posts that have got 0 answers. I can simply ask it to remove all the entries from the data where there are 0 answers. And as you can see now, within a matter of seconds, Clever Sheets would be able to modify the data that you have actually put it in. And now all the posts that had 0 answers are gone. So this is a summary of what Clever Sheets is capable of. I hope you liked it, and I'll be more than happy to have any questions. Reach out to me at yuvraj@getclever.com, and I'll be more than happy to get you through it. Thank you.